Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys. Now I'm here. I want to explain something about scatter plot. Do you remember scatter plot? I think we already learned this material since we 11th grade. So for the next moment, we will talk about scatter plot and remind this material together. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Rahid Muhammad Sugiarto with name K1325013. Okay, the first one. Definition of scatter plot. A scatter plot is a type of plot or mathematical diagram using Cartesian coordinate to display value for typically two variable for a set of data. So the inti scatter plot is diagram Cartesian, a diagram, the diagram, mathematic diagram using Cartesian coordinate with two variables, usually variable x and y. Next, what is scatter plot used for? Scatter plot used to determine whether or not two variables have a relationship or correlation. A scatter plot, or we can call scatter graph or scatter graph, use dots to represent value for two different numeric variables. So the scatter plot form is like this, and dot in here is represent numeric variable y and x. Okay, then I will explain characteristic of scatter plot. The first one is from. From, I can divide it by two, that's linear and non-linear. What's the meaning linear and non-linear? Linear is like straight line, and non-linear is like this. Yes. So, and the second direction is the association positive or negative. So the direction I can divide it by two conditions. The first one is like this, positive, and the second one negative. First one, positive, is from left and increases in right one, and this from the left one decreases in until right one. So the third one is strength. Strength, the associated appear to be strong, moderately strong, or weak. So strong condition can happen if the dot in scatter diagram can be like I think this dot in here can be line straight and close each other, and the moderately strong is not too close. So yeah, maybe like this, but we can still identify the direction. So as I'm Gen Z, so we can analogy, we can represent like strong in real life, like maybe two couples, they go everywhere, wherever they go, we always close to, like they holding hand every time, everywhere. And moderately strong, if like to human friendly benefit maybe, or in Indonesia you can call HTS. They know the final destination, and sometimes they have a problem, but the relation still there. So, and the width, if the graphic like so we cannot define this is direction here. And for outliers, do not appear to be any data points that are usually far away from the general pattern. Like I have three patterns like that. I can maybe, for example, outliers is in the like this anomaly dot maybe, yeah, because all of them in straight line and they only one in the corner side maybe, yeah. When to use scatter plot? Scatter plot are used in either of the following situation: when we have paired numerical data, when there are multiple values on the dependent variable or unique value on an independent variable. In determining the relationship between variables in some scenarios, should identify potential root causes of problem. Checking whether two products that appear to be related both occur with the exact cause and so on. So, if we have two condition or two variable, we can use the scatter plot to determine the two variable, the both variable have a relationship or no. Have a relation, yes. Okay. Scatter plot use as examples. Scatter plot in instant report or form of data is beneficial in the following situation. So I could say like if I have a big data and with two variables, we can visualize with scatter plot, and less than 5 seconds we can identify like, oh, this variable correlation positive or this variable correlation negative. So like we can simplify this with plot, scatter plot, yeah. Scatter plot correlation. The correlation is statistical measure of the relationship between the two variables relative movement. If the variables are correlated, the point will fall along in the line or curve. The better the correlation, the closer that point will touch the line. Yeah, like this. The better correlation, the closer point will touch the line. Now, correlation is good or strong if every dot like this closer point then touch the line. But if this graphic like this, the direction we can identify, but the predict is not strong like this. Yeah. Then I will explain types of correlation. Type of correlation has three. The first one, can the scatter plot explain the correlation between two attributes or variables, and expression how closely the two variables are connected. They can be the situation to see the relation between the two variables. They are the 3 divided by 3. I mean like the first one positive correlation, the second one negative correlation, and the last no correlation. Positive correlation. Positive correlation the point in the graph are rising, moving from left to right. So moving from left to right, the scatter plot shows a positive correlation. So from left and increase in right, we can call this, we can identify this graph, this positive relation. Positive relation. It means the value of the variable is increasing with respect to another. So if variable x increase, then variable y, variable y also increase. Now, positive correlation can further be classified into their categories. Perfect positive if the dot, every dot is other, the gap is too close. So they can call perfect positive. And high positive if the, yeah, like this. But we can identify this direction, but the points get unhappy. So and the first one is perfectly straight line, and the second two not perfectly in line. The third one, when all the points are scattered, this random maybe like this. Negative correlation. Negative correlation is instead than positive correlation. If positive correlation increase from left to right, but negative correlation when point can fall while moving left into right. So this graphic can be go like this. And then perfect negative is almost straight line. Like this, and high negative if the points like this, and the low negative yes like this. No correlation. No correlation if we have the variable. When we draw the variable in scatter plot, it's very random point. Like we have no relation because we cannot identify this direction, like positive direction. Sure, they form like this and negative like this, but this one no correlation, so we cannot identify the direction. The last one I will draw scatter plot. For example, this. The first one you can draw y-axis like this and x-axis. So x-axis is in there like 3, 5, 2. We can write it here. Yeah, like this. By the way, this condition like no off game, like x variable is 1. 1 mean is I played once games, and 2 I played this game, and the score I get for the first time playing game is 50, and the second 2 if I play in 2 I get 65 score. So from this we can write scale I and in y-axis I can write the gap every value is 20. The The first game I get 50 score. So first one in here and 50 in here. I can write like this. And two, we have two values, 65 and 80. So 265 in here and 80 in here. Wait. I'm sorry. That's 75. Yeah. 75 in here. Mantap. The third time I play games, I get 18 score. 18 score in here. Then in first time, for the first time, I will not play. In the 5 time, we can play and get score 19 in here. Then 6 we get 80 and 7 we get 19 and 100. 19 and 100. 19 in here, 100 in here. So this graph we can identify like this. So this correlation is positive. So invariably so many times you play and the result is only positive. So if you play game again, your skill can greater. So this all of me. I'm sorry if I made a mistake because the perfection is belongs to God. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.